Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I'm Tiana Food and Lifestyle. Today I'm going to be making this soft and easy bread. And if it's your first time, why not join me? Let's see how we get this done. Come with me to my kitchen. And first, I'm going to be sieving some flour. This flour is already clean, but I always like to just sieve it just in case you never can tell. So I'm going to be using this flour, and then I'm gonna be putting in using 1 teaspoon of yeast, self-rising yeast, sugar, 1.5 cup, that's measuring cup. Bring everything to a mix. To see the complete recipe, please go to my description box and take a look to see the recipe, and then mix all the dry like so. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is put in some warm water and mix like so. And I mean, if you are a kind of person that you just want it quick and fast, this is quite easy. You're just wondering, must I bring in so much recipe into bread? No, you can just get it done this way, just with your three things you have in your kitchen. Just bring it together, okay? And now this is optional. I always enjoy putting nutmeg in my pastries. I just like that nutmeg taste and the aroma. So I just dust it with nutmeg, dust it with flour, put in some butter, and then I'm going to be kneading this until it molds into one. Okay, you want to make sure your measurement is right. You knead it rather like this until everything comes into one. And then when you get this done, the next step is ready to get it baked. Okay, like I said earlier, this is an easy to go, not too much protocols. Okay, and now the next I'm going to be doing, I just put it in a bowl, set it aside, allow it to rise for 30 minutes or more. And then I know it's well reasoned. When I dip my hand like so, it sinks, and then it means it has risen, ready to bake. I bring it out and I begin to mold it into the shape I want. Now you can mold it into whatever shape of your pan or however you like, but because this is an easy one and I choose to make use of this baking bowl, I'm not using the actual shape of pan, so I'm just going to be using this one like so. Mold it into that, and then do the same with the next and put it in the next baking pan and baking plate rather. And that's all set. It looks good, it's not sticky. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to glaze it with egg like so, and then I'll glaze both. The good thing about this is that it's not time consuming, it's quick, it's easy, and it came out so soft, and it came out like you have a feeling of cake and bread. I tell you the truth, one pan went down same day, and then I'll bake it in the oven for 350 degree. Bake it, and once it's ready, voila, see, as easy as ABC. And this is it. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to glaze it with butter, so it gives it that glossy look. And then I always like to do this extra, I mean, it's optional. I always like to put like a damp clean cloth on top, just to moist it and bring it together like so. It's optional. If you ask me the actual reason, I can't tell you this is the actual reason, but it gives it that moist and allow it to retain that moistness, if that's a good English, moistness. Anyway, so I put it in my tray and I am ready to bring this bread down. Now you can give this a try it for when family comes around, just to have something. There's nothing like homemade. And like I said earlier, this is easy to go, and this bread came out soft. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. Look at that. Tell me what you think. Give it a try. And if this is your first time, please do well to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.